Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important objectives of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a statement of changes in the short-term financial position of the business due to inflow and outflow of cash. Statement of cash flow is required for short-range financial planning. Cash flow statement is the summarized form of inflow of cash funds from different sources and the uses to which the cash funds have been applied. It is very useful for the management in assessing the capability of business to meet its short-term commitments towards creditors for goods and expenses. The important objectives of preparing cash flow statement are: first point, it shows the inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents from the various activities of a company during a specific period under the main heads, that is operating activities, investing activities and financing activities. Second objective is information through the cash flow statement is useful in assessing the ability of an enterprise to generate cash and cash equivalents and the needs of the enterprise to utilize those cash inflows. Next point, taking economic decisions requires an evaluation of the ability of an enterprise to generate cash and cash equivalents, which is provided by the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is used as the basis for the projection of future investing and financing plans of enterprise by the management. Payment of long-term loans, expansion and modernization of long-term loans, planned and payment of interest and dividend can be planned on the basis of the information supplied by cash flow statement. The management knows the cash status, its shortage, adequacy and sufficiency, and makes use of the cash effectively. In case of shortage of cash, requisite cash is arranged. If there is surplus cash, it is properly invested. Next important objective of preparing cash flow statement is that it provides us information regarding cash generated and cash used in operating, investing, and financing activities. On the basis of the information supplied, financial structure of the enterprise can be evaluated. The financial decisions taken in the past can be evaluated on the basis of information supplied by cash flow statement. Certain interesting information such as shortage of cash even though there was sufficient profit or surplus cash. When there was substantial loss, what happened to be the huge cash received from the sale of land, etc., are available from cash flow statement. Cash flow statement based on accounting standard 3 presents separately cash generated and cash used in operating, investing and financing activities. Cash flow statement is a tool for assessing the liquidity and solvency of the enterprise. These are the important objectives of cash flow statement. Next, we want to study the important features of cash flow statement. The important transactions happening in the business enterprises are purchase of goods, raw materials, machinery, purchase of building and other assets, then current assets. It includes prepaid expenses, received in advance, then rent paid, commission paid, advertisement expenses, then printing and stationery expenses, office expenses, selling and distribution expenses. These are the important expense of the company. Then commission received, rent received, discount received, sale of goods, sale of services. These are the important flows of cash, outflows of cash.